Another hot swing play you guys don't want to miss. PainReform went up 300% today. That's right, 300%. That means if you would have invested $1,000, you would have profited $3,000, bringing your portfolio to a total of $4,000 from just today. What's up, everybody? It's Ronnie G from YMC, bringing y'all another swing play for the week. Now, let's take a deeper dive into what PainReform does. So PainReform initially did an IPO during the pandemic. They create a oil-based solution that makes sure that you're not addicted on opioids, because most times that's what doctors prescribe you after you've had surgery to relieve the pain. So they're just a pain reliever, oil-based, to keep people from being addicted to that. Now, what recently happened with the company that made them go boom, right? So, if we take a deeper dive, we know that in the past that they weren't performing very well. We go all the way back when they first did an IPO. This was back in, like I said, 2020, during the pandemic. They did an IPO for around $60. They did not perform very well. Within over the next year into, they dropped significantly. They could not sustain their growth. And for that cause, they just did a reverse split on July 3rd. Now, what is a reverse split? If you look at a reverse split, I'll show you guys here. It's when a company wants to get back into the limelight. They haven't been performing very well, so they will split their stock. Now, reverse split makes the stock price higher. So let's say it was trading at $3. Well, now it's going to trade at $30 if they did a 1 to 10 reverse split. So they're basically, reducing the outstanding shares of the company for the public to buy and sell. And so that's basically what a reverse split does. Now, if we look closely at, what they've done since this year, we can see that they've kind of been in an equilibrium. Not a lot of up and down movement, kind of sideways. So we can justify that this reverse split is what caused the stock to really skyrocket. Now, the skyrocket is, giving, companies an opportunity to buy at a higher price. But if this company can sustain that higher price, it's good for the company. If they can't, they're going to be right back where they've been before. We've seen companies do that before, like Motorola, AIG, and they've been successful at it. Another thing that we want to notify is that they just had an earnings report come out. It was very neutral. There was no surprise, right? It estimated to do 2.2 million. It did 2.2. That's completely fine with companies. Sometimes that's a good sign that they're sustaining during the hard times. So we're going to take that as a positive. Everything going into that, we can see why this is one of the most watched stocks on Stock Tweets on all social platforms right now. PainReform is doing some big things. I think, that, this is going to be a swing play, and I'm really bearish on this swing play. Now, my advice, I'm not no investment advisor. I'm not acting as one. This is educational purposes. But my opinion is that this is going to be a bearish play. This looks more like a pump and dump type of opportunity, even though I don't see any infomercials out there that are giving me pump and dump vibes. But I think this is a pump and dump type of play where the stock goes up really high and then it falls down. It could not sustain its highs for today. It got all the way up to $26. And then on the day, it ended at $16.50. So that lets me know that it's not sustaining that growth. I think we'll have more green days to come. But I think overall, for the swing play of the week, which you guys subscribe to the channel for, I think this is going to trend down over the next month. Okay. Now, when I give my plays, I give them for a month. I think right now I think this is eventually going to go back down to some sustainable levels around the $12 range. That is my short-term investor price target. Like I said, I believe it can go up for a few days or maybe one more day, but I think after that, it's going to plummet and crash. Okay. That is my stock swing trade of the week. I hope you guys continue to enjoy. Don't forget, all right, don't you guys forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You guys have to do that. I'm posting every week or every other week. You guys go ahead, give me a like and share. Share this with your friends for more swing trades. Be sure to comment what you think about pain reform and see, just give your opinion on what you think it's going to do within the weeks to come. All right, you guys, peace out.